Hey buddies, what's up? Welcome to a new video on my channel. Today we're gonna do a tear down of this LS engine. It's out of an O2 Silverado. It's a 5.3 and yeah, it's a tear down, 220,000 miles on it. And we're gonna see how it looks inside. I took the inside already off. I don't think that's that interesting for the video. The more interesting part is what is underneath the valve covers, how the valve's looking. Camshaft, crankshaft, pistons and all that stuff, so we're gonna take a look at that. So now we start to tearing it down. Alright, so I'm gonna take the valve covers off and then we take a look. Alright, so I took off the valve cover and it looks super clean underneath there. So no carb build up, nothing. Yeah, a lot of dirt on the belly pan. We're gonna clean that up. But yeah, that is what it looks like. So I'm gonna clean all that up. We take that plate off and we take a look again. I'm gonna get it on my engine stand, so that I'm gonna take that plate off first, and then we see. So we took the heads down. There are the rockers and the rods. So here are the heads. Condition is not too bad at all. No cracks and nothing. So that's how the head looks at. Alright, so we're gonna bring the heads to the machine shop. There are also like 2 broken exhaust studs in there. What needs to get out there, and yeah, resurface it and see if they don't have micro cracks or anything. So they're gonna check all that and yeah, clean them up, of course. So here we got the block, piston still in there, and yeah, so in here it's a little bit dirtier, but the cylinders are totally fine. Yeah, don't worry about this. But let me see if I can capture it good. I hope you see it. Yeah, you can see it there. So the original honing marks are still there. So when I have the pistons out, I'm gonna check them if they are all in a condition like that. Just hone them with a honing tool, like a brush, and call it a day. Maybe even use the original pistons, just clean them up. Maybe put new piston rings on there, depends on the condition. Yeah, put new piston run, clean up the pistons, put new rings on there, and call it a day. Yeah, so I go ahead, turn around, take the crankshaft out, and then we take a look at the crankshaft bearings. How's the condition of the crankshaft bearings? I'm really curious about to see that. Camshaft looks pretty good, just needs to get polished, so that's nothing you can really feel. Sure, here where the 2 connecting rods come together, you have that marks, but we're gonna polish that by ourselves. So here we got the pistons. I cleaned already 1 bearing, so you can see it there too. So condition of that bearings are also pretty good. Nearly no build up in the lower piston ring. Yeah, nearly no build up in the lower piston ring. So piston looks pretty good. No signs of excess rear, so we can reuse the pistons. Camshaft is also pretty good. Yeah, everything looks good. Nothing happened here, and also here where the bearings are, everything looks good. Here we got the main caps. Also here, bearings look pretty good, but we're gonna replace everything anyways. But yeah, what the normal wear and tear, you know, nothing really bad. So yeah, that's the crankshaft pistons, the whole assembly. Let's take a look at the block. Here we got the block. I cleaned already the bearing spots. That looks also pretty nice. No big marks in there, nothing. Yeah, like I said, we're gonna replace them anyways. Here in the middle one, we got the big bearing. What is like centering the crankshaft. That's why you have like a bearing here too. So that's why this bearing is different. And oh yeah, here we got some dirt build up, I guess. Nothing too bad. Alright, so crankshaft is all polished and ready to go back in. Basically, I do the fine cleanup once we're gonna install it to make sure there's no dust or nothing in there. We still got some polish residue on here. Yeah, all that's coming off once we install it. And so, next step is getting the pistons ready. And all the other stuff. Alright buddies, see you next time.
Okay.